Yeah, g'day guys. Just a little video on these Process West. Just, mate, I do not know what is so good about the price that people are paying for these things when the pumps do not last. I think it's the pressure of the actual clamping device that holds it in that is the demise of the pump. Also the way this thing is just suffocated up there. Mate, this is an overpriced rip-off, but just when installing it, make sure that you give yourself, have the tools and the ability to be able to keep a clearance back here. Okay, so keep a few blades on the side and manage to trim off what you need to get this all to fit exactly in the right spot. Because what happens is they suffocate for fuel up along the back. Now apparently the owner of the car, this was done by MRT, the owner of the car was saying that the DW pumps don't last and stuff like that. This thing hasn't even done 20,000 kilometers. And the pump failed. I got it going, but then it broke down again not long after, a few days after on a long drive, as he was going to go and get this other pump. So there is the pumps available. Obviously this part is separate, but this is really overpriced. Just looking online, they were $1,600 Australian on eBay. Okay, half these screws I had to destroy to get out because they were so over tightened, and I believe that's from the factory. I don't believe, I think, you know, when MRT or whoever did the job fitted it, they fitted the complete unit. Anyway, just make sure that you get the alignment of the pump right, grease this up to get it in. I think that's Bakelite or some type of really overly tight plastic. There is no reason that the pump needs to be this tight in here, and that's gonna be the cause of the pumps seizing up for sure. There's no such thing as this little housing can take that amount of pressure. So when you change the pump over, notice that there might be a different fitment on this. So this is designed to take it from the side, whilst this replacement one is designed to take it from the back, which is creating me a lot of installation issues. I'm just gonna stop now. I cannot shorten this hose any further because this will not fit, and then it'll crack that housing. So we're gonna have to roll with this. There is some clearance in there. It's just not what I would want. It's not what I call a precision $1,600 thing. Just another, you know, rip off from Process West, like a lot of their intakes that fall apart after so many kilometers. Anyway, guys, catch you later. Bye. Make sure obviously the connectors all fit and stuff like that first, and that you use biofuel if you're running E85 ethanol, biofuel compatible hoses. Cheers guys, bye.